Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions around the world, joint pain. Whether it's from arthritis, an old injury, or just the wear and tear of daily life, joint pain can be debilitating. But what if we told you that there are natural, drug-free methods to alleviate this pain quickly and effectively? That's right. In this video, we will explore surprising remedies and lifestyle changes that can help eliminate joint pain for good. So, let's get started. Before we jump into solutions, it's essential to understand what causes joint pain. Joint pain can arise from various factors, including inflammation, injury, or degenerative conditions like osteoarthritis. When the cartilage that cushions the joints wears down, it can lead to pain, swelling, and stiffness. But what many people don't realize is that lifestyle choices such as diet and exercise play a significant role in joint health. Poor nutrition can lead to inflammation, while a sedentary lifestyle can weaken the muscles around the joints, making them more susceptible to pain. One of the most effective ways to combat joint pain is through diet. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your meals can significantly reduce pain and improve joint function. Here are some key foods to consider. 1. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. 2. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with antioxidants and essential vitamins that can help combat inflammation. 3. This vibrant spice contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Adding turmeric to your dishes or taking it in supplement form can provide relief from joint pain. 4. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation. 5. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants, which can help counteract inflammatory processes in the body. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining joint health. Water helps to lubricate the joints and keeps the cartilage hydrated. Dehydration can lead to increased friction in the joints, exacerbating pain. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider adding electrolyte-rich beverages if you engage in intense physical activity. While it may seem counterintuitive, regular exercise is one of the best ways to alleviate joint pain. Gentle movements can help strengthen the muscles surrounding the joints, providing better support and reducing pain. Here are some effective forms of exercise. 1. The buoyancy of water reduces stress on the joints while allowing for a full range of motion. 2. This practice not only improves flexibility, but also promotes relaxation and stress relief, which can help reduce pain perception. 3. Simple and effective, walking can help maintain joint function without putting too much strain on them. 4. Building muscle through resistance exercises can help stabilize and protect the joints. In addition to dietary changes and exercise, certain natural supplements can provide relief from joint pain. Here are a few to consider. 1. These supplements are often used to support joint health and may help reduce pain and improve function. 2. This herbal extract has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce joint pain and stiffness. 3. Known for its anti-inflammatory effects, MSM can help alleviate pain and improve joint mobility. 4. Similar to turmeric, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can be consumed in various forms, including tea or supplements. For those seeking relief beyond diet and exercise, alternative therapies can be beneficial. Here are some popular options. 1. This traditional Chinese medicine practice involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body to relieve pain and promote healing. 2. Regular massages can improve circulation, reduce muscle tension, and promote relaxation, all of which can help alleviate joint pain. 3. A chiropractor can help realign the joints and improve overall function, which may lead to reduced pain. 4. Applying heat can help relax muscles and improve circulation, while cold therapy can reduce inflammation and numb sharp pain. To effectively manage joint pain, it's essential to create a comprehensive pain management plan tailored to your needs. This plan should include 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay tuned for the next segment, where we will explore some real-life success stories of individuals who have managed to eliminate their joint pain through these methods. Now, let's take a moment to highlight some inspiring success stories from individuals who have successfully managed their joint pain using natural methods. These testimonials can serve as motivation and proof that change is possible. 1. Maria, a 52-year-old teacher, struggled with knee pain for years due to osteoarthritis. After incorporating more omega-3 rich foods into her diet, such as salmon and walnuts, and committing to a daily walking routine, she noticed a significant reduction in her pain levels. Within a few months, she was able to return to her favorite activities, including hiking and dancing, which she thought she would have to give up forever. 2. At 45, James faced chronic joint pain from an old sports injury. Frustrated with relying on pain medications, he turned to yoga and began practicing regularly. Not only did he gain flexibility and strength, but he also found that the mindfulness aspect of yoga helped him manage stress, which further alleviated his pain. James now leads a local yoga class for others dealing with similar issues. 3. Linda, a 60-year-old grandmother, was tired of feeling limited by her joint pain, especially when playing with her grandchildren. After consulting with a nutritionist, she revamped her diet to include more anti-inflammatory foods, particularly berries and leafy greens. She also started taking glucosamine supplements. The results were remarkable. Within weeks, she felt more energetic and agile, allowing her to enjoy quality time with her family without discomfort. 4. Tom, a 38-year-old designer, had been dealing with wrist pain that made it difficult to work. He explored alternative therapies, including acupuncture and massage therapy. The combination of these treatments, along with a commitment to stretching and strengthening exercises, resulted in a complete turnaround. Tom now advocates for holistic approaches to pain management in his community. Managing joint pain is often a long-term commitment, and it's essential to stay motivated throughout the process. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. 1. Establish achievable goals for your diet, exercise, and pain management strategies. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep your spirits high. 2. Connect with friends, family, or online communities who understand your struggles. Sharing experiences and tips can provide encouragement and accountability. 3. Keep a journal to document your pain levels, dietary changes, and exercise routines. Seeing your progress over time can be incredibly motivating. 4. Continue to learn about joint health and pain management. The more informed you are, the better choices you can make for your health. 5. Understand that there will be ups and downs in your journey. If one method doesn't work, don't hesitate to try something new or adjust your plan. Lastly, let's talk about the power of mindset in managing joint pain. Your mental attitude can greatly influence your perception of pain and your overall well-being. Here are some strategies to cultivate a positive mindset. 1. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and visualization can help you stay present and reduce anxiety related to pain. 2. Instead of dwelling on limitations, concentrate on the activities you can still enjoy. This in perspective can lead to greater satisfaction and happiness. 3. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your commitment to health and wellness. Phrases like, "I am strong," or "I am in control of my health," can empower you during challenging times. 4. If you find that pain is affecting your mental health, consider speaking with a therapist or counselor who specializes in chronic pain management. They can provide tools and strategies to cope with the emotional aspects of pain. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we will delve into the importance of regular checkups and how to communicate effectively with healthcare professionals regarding your joint pain management journey. Continue adding new information and expanding on the topic in EN. Do not summarize or conclude the script yet. In today's video, we explored effective natural strategies to combat joint pain without relying on medications. We discussed the importance of maintaining a healthy diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods, staying hydrated, and incorporating regular, low-impact exercise into your routine. We also highlighted the benefits of mindfulness practices like yoga and meditation to help manage pain and improve your overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. By integrating these lifestyle changes into your daily routine, you can experience significant relief and enhance your quality of life. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a pain-free life. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights. Take care of your joints, and until next time, stay healthy and happy. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.